my boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today I created this black bronze cut crease eye look, and if you want to see how I created this look, make sure you guys keep on watching. So boo, let's just jump right into it. As you can see, y'all are zoomed already in because we are starting off with the eyes today. We're gonna get the eyes out the way, period. So I'm gonna be starting off with my eyebrows, and I'm gonna be taking the e.l.f. pomade in the dark brown. And I've been liking to use pomade on my eyebrows lately because it gives me more of like a defined look. And I'm able to do my eyebrows really fast. So now since we have that down, we're going to be concealing these eyebrows, and I'm going to be jumping into the 16-hour cameo in the color Deep Cinnamon. I really love the consistency of the Deep Cinnamon, so that's why I like using this. Like, it just be doing so good, you know? Just like that. All right, so now since I have that down really quick, I'm gonna just take my Real Technique brush, just blend this out really good. So now I'm gonna be concealing the lids, and I'm gonna be taking the P. Louise, and this is in the Rumor 5 base. And I'm gonna just take this and just lay this real good on my lid, just like that. And I'm just gonna blend it out really good, real quick. Alright, so now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping into eyeshadow. And for eyeshadow, we're going to be using the Carnival palette by Stacey Marie. So we're going to be just moving right along, okay? So the first thing that we're going to be jumping into is Intuition. Taking that Intuition and stamping it right on the outer corner and all in the crease. And as we are stamping it in the outer V, we are also blending because we want it to be nice and blended, okay? And we're gonna blend this all in the crease just like this. Also, start bringing it up, bringing it outside the eye. All right, so now since we have that down, we're going to jump into the Lights out of this palette, and it is the black. Taking my E54 Sigma brush and bringing it right up into my crease like this. Now since we have that down, I'm going to be taking the M507, jumping into Haul. So I'm gonna just stamp that right over top. Blend that in. Very lightly though, just blending that right in. So now we're going to be jumping into cutting the crease. I'm going to be using micellar cleansing water, and we're gonna cut that crease real good. So now I'm gonna be jumping into this Blank Canvas by Mema Mitchell, and I'm going to be cutting this crease. You feel me? All right, so now I'm gonna just take that and just blend that out really good. So I'm gonna be jumping right back into that black and just darkening up that crease. All right, so now we're going to be jumping into shimmer, and for the first shimmer, we're going to be jumping into Splendor. Go right back in with that black just to blend it out. And now I'm going to be taking Inspire, this right here, and I'm gonna lay that in the inner corner of my eye. Now since I have that down, we're going to be jumping into the e.l.f. eyeliner really quick, and we're going to be doing a really nice fast wing. Jump right into that black and clean it up. All right, and then I'm going to jump right into that P. Louise, and this is in the Rumor 5 base. All right, now since we have that down, I'm going to jump on an eyelash, and I'm gonna do my other eye, and then we'll be right back for face. Okay. All right, so now my eyes are down, so now we could jump into face. So first we need to moisturize. I feel so dry, okay? And I'm going to be using the Estee Lauder. You already know this has been my little fave, so I'm definitely gonna be putting this all over my face really good. I really like how my eyes came out. I'm getting better with my cut creases. It's still hard, but I'm getting better. So for primer, I'm going to be jumping into the Fenty Beauty, and I'm going to be just taking this, putting that right on my face, and rubbing this in really good. I haven't done my eyes first in a while, like. All right, so now we're going to be jumping into foundation. You guys already know the Estee Lauder has been my favorite foundation right now. It's the Double Wear, and this is in the color Deep Spice. Always got mixtures on the nose, some on the forehead. I'm going to just be taking this fluffy brush. I just want to take like a fluffy brush and just put this all over the face, just like this. This Estee Lauder be doing something to the skin, baby. So, okay. All right, so now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping into the MAC, and this is in the color Dark Deep. Y'all already know I like to take this and set my foundation. You know what I'm saying? Like set finish, you feel me? All right, so now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping into the 16-hour cameo, and this is in the color Deep Cinnamon. This is the e.l.f. You already know this is like my fave, okay? I like to stick with things that I like, but I feel like if it's working for me, like if it ain't broke, don't fix it. But I definitely want to try some new things or whatever. If it ain't broke, don't fix it, you feel me? And now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping into the Fenty Beauty. You know, same routine, nothing new, nothing new. Taking this concealer brush, and I'm just going to blend my edges out first, just like this. It's a no beauty blender today as well, so blend out that chin, blend out that nose, blend out that head. I like to go into my Real Technique brush, and this is the 402, and then I blend in my inner part. This gives me more of a seamless blend, you feel what I'm saying? I like to do it this way. You know, I might have to do that under eye all over. And I always take my foundation brush, get all of that. So for baking, we're going to be jumping into the e.l.f. You already know, the matte setting powder, and this is in the color Tan. I don't want no type of creasing, especially since I done blend all this out real good. We don't need no creasing. We ain't got time for that, okay? I don't be having time. I really like the way these eyes came out. It looks so pretty. Bring that under my eye a little bit more, just like that. And this is my M507. So good. Gets right under that under eye. I'm going to be jumping into my cream contour by Fenty Beauty, and this is in the color Chocolate. Dab it in here just like that. Just tap over it really good. And we're going to just contour this nose. And this is actually the NYX contour stick. This is the Wonder Stick. We're going to be jumping into this e.l.f. and this is in the color Dark Deep. Just like that, just setting that. Just tap that in. We're going to be jumping into highlight. And for highlight, y'all already know, I'm going to be trying this Gold Luxe today. Just dabbing this right here. Like, woo, it it's just something about a good highlight. I can't be messed with, you know what I'm saying? Like it's just like, look at that, baby. Woo! In the part right here. Okay. So now, really quick, we're going to be jumping into lip. I'm going to be using this Morphe brown liner, and it's in the color Trendsetter. So I'm just going to be jumping into my Lime Crime L. I love this like pink nude. It's just everything to me. I don't know. So now let me spray with the Luminous Setting Spray. So my boo, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, do not forget to smash that like button and also leave me a comment down below. Also my boo, if you have made it this far to the video, you might as well subscribe. And you might as well hit that notification bell button too, because I want you to be notified for my next video. You feel me? So with that being said, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I will see you boo in my next video. Mwah. Peace.